I am actually not trying to impose my feelings or my thoughts on anyone, but this is just kind of audio that I am recording right now, and I don't know how many years from now this all will be implemented, or my thoughts related to large language models in on device things are gonna come out. But this is how I thought, today if you look at the large language models ecosystem, then there are a lot of companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft. All of them are coming up with their own models that you can talk to, use, and this Anthropic company is also giving a lot of large language models for different use cases. But what we are looking at right now, the context window is not a limitation. I think so, because as we look at the different Gemini models that are having a context window of around 1 million tokens or 2 million tokens, so I don't think so it will be a limitation for a very long time. But what is the main thing that is that we are talking about, like what is the future with large language models? So what I think, like when we talk about on device AI, so what we are doing trying to do, rather than having the AI or the large language models on their website, we are integrating the things in the device. But what again in the future, after using it in a laptop, so are or can we be able to use the large language models in a humanoid robot? So that is also a thing that we are actually thinking about. It's not, I don't think we are, but at least I am thinking about. So let's see how this thought process goes ahead, or how does it reach to people. Let me know what are your thoughts on this. But currently I am doing a little bit more in-depth research on the different kind of capabilities of Gemini models. So where we are talking about 1.5 Pro, 1.5 Flash, and with different configuration changes, different system instructions maybe. And also it is initially I was a little bit skeptical about the future about of this, but as I see, it is really, it has even anyone is able, if anyone has a lot of data and a lot of computer structure, then they can train an AI model or train a large language model and do different kind of research on that. like uh, I also want to understand that what will happen in the future, what can happen, what are the different use cases, or what are the different industries. Yes, this is also a pretty big topic if we talk about what are the major industries, what are the major use cases, because if we mainly classify is there's always a limit to the use of AI. Like you can't integrate AI or machine learning at every place, or use of large language models at every place. So I don't think there's a very vast you can give hundred kinds of models, but still they all can be used at different places. But still there are places where there's a limit to the use of AI. So yes, this is how I am thinking right now, on the future. Oh yes, different researches are going on. I'm also studying different methods, or how the different use cases, what are the different multi-model use cases that we have thought of using with text, audio format, video format. Currently Gemini is giving 1 hour video context video, uh, so that we can use it. But in future what we can think of is 2 hour 2 hour videos can be taken as a input in the Gemini API, and we can find the different outputs to that. Let's see how it goes in the future.